Hello, Casey. Welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya. In this video, I want to share with you some insights that can actually help you increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I'm going to start with your website, the Google Business Profile, and end up with talking about backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button over here. You have very nice pictures. The visuals are amazing. Then you have here the different type of materials that you work with. So you have wood fencing, vinyl, aluminum, chain link. Well, you also do gates and railings. So that's really well done. Very nice. The testimonials and reviews, and then the button to get an estimate or the contact us form, and yeah, the contact us form over here, and then the location, the contact details to reach out to you. So overall, it's a nice front page, very clean. You have the links to your social media accounts, which is really important as well. There are a few things that you could consider. So perhaps add the contact us form at the top, make this a little bit bigger, and then consider throwing in more content. Because through content is that Facebook is able to understand what the website is about, and you are able to also include more buyer intent keywords so that you actually appear as a result when people are searching for your type of services. So right now your website and your front page has 402 words, and if I have a look at two of your competitors, so Kirkwood Fence, these guys have 474 words, and Imperial Fence, they have 791 words. So definitely an opportunity for you there to outrank your competitors. And because Google likes to see content and to be optimized for Google, the ideal spot is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So that's an opportunity for you there to exploit. Add more content with more relevant buyer intent keywords. I came here to the Google search and I type in Fence Company St. Louis. The first section that we usually see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads. The flip side is that they can be expensive, and some people just turn them off in their browser. The second section is the Google Maps, and this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yelp, for example. I cannot find it, top depth. So for example, Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those of your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section that we see is the Google organic search, and to rank here, Google first needs to find you. So you need a responsive, secure, and well-built in terms of content website. Once you have that, then you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. So here is where I found the two competitors, so these two. And I analyzed the backend of a website. I use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now I am looking at your website. And in here I can see what are the number of backlinks that you have. And this tool is saying to me that there are none. If I have a look at Kirkwood, these guys have 150 external websites directing traffic towards their website through 486 links. And Imperial Fence, that's their name, they have 68 external websites directing traffic towards their website through 540 links. So this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which are the websites that are the most relevant ones according to the search that people are performing. And to signal this to Google, to signal that your website is the most relevant one, you not only need to have more backlinks, but you also need to have more powerful backlinks, which are the ones that are sitting on websites that are relevant to your services and to the industry that you operate in. Now, the other section that I wanted to show you is the organic keywords. So if I come back to your website, your website is not being found for any organic keyword. And if I have a look at Kirkwood, these guys are being found for 959 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The search volume is the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position they are appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword, the website. So if we look at Fence Company St. Louis, they're in the first position and the search volume is 700. Fence installation St. Louis, the search volume is 100. They're in the first position. Fencing St. Louis, 250. They're in the first position. St. Louis Fencing Company, 200 searches per month, and they're in the first position. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are the keywords with the highest search volume, because those are the ones that you want to include in the content of your website, because it means that you're going to be in front of more potential customers more often. And then a percentage of those customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage they're going to reach out to you, and then another percentage you're going to be able to convert into customers depending on your closing rate. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.